This is Joe Rosemaric, and in this video we're going to talk about different types of bobbers. There's generally two styles. One, your conventional round clip-on bobber. You take a piece of line, push a little button, a little hook, clip comes out. There you go, your bobber's on the line. You can do that with both a round bobber or with a pencil type bobber. You get this little spring, sides in there. It also helps to, keep it on there. There we go. Our bobber's on the line. Or there's what's called the slip bobber. Slip bobber is going to have a hole in both ends, and what you're going to do is the line will actually go through this hole and come out the other end of the bobber. This slip bobber works nice because that way you can have more line out past your bobber when you are fishing. So if you're fishing in 20 foot of water and you want to be a foot off the bottom, you don't have to have 19 foot of line after your bobber and have it fixed. You can have 2 foot of line past your bobber and then just allow this to slide up to some sort of stop. There's, this round type bobber has its place. It works good on, low attention fishermen. If you're fishing with kids, if you're fishing on things that are really aggressive and are definitely going to grab a line and pull, this will sink. It's very easy to tell that you have a fish that's on here. It only works if you can get it to pull down. It's more difficult to see it moving laterally in the water, which is where your pencil type bobber, it's long and slender, tends to work better. Sitting in the water, it can go down if something pulls on it, but if something pulls on it and just starts drifting off to the right, well, geez, that's not where my bobber was, and you can go and do a hook set. So it works better for multi-directional travel with fish, not necessarily just straight down. In terms of picking bobber size, I've got this whole tray of bobbers in here of different sizes and different shapes. So if I'm pan fishing, here's a little itty bitty guy. If you compare this to a bobber that I'd use, for walleye or smallmouth bass. There's little itty bitty round bobbers. If I'm out, fishing for small pan fish, this would be about right for a smallmouth bass or large pan fish, or if you're looking at large bass. So those are your basic rules for working with a bobber. Use the smallest bobber possible, or weight your hook to go and account for your bobber size. And whenever possible, use a pencil type bobber so that you can detect lateral movement of your line in the water. Thanks for watching.